How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be the final on the Moebius 1965 Mercury Comet Cyclone for my buddy Doane Yawger in California. But before we get this started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. I'll never ask you for a thing. This is not one of them channels that's going to ask you for support as far as PayPal, Patreons, whatever. I don't need money to grow, guys. Come on now. All I got to do is just show you what I built, or tell you somebody else has built something, and leave a link in the description, and you go check them out. That's what it's all about right here, guys. Just enjoy the content, and everybody that I mention in this video, or anybody's video, or any of these videos, I usually leave a link in the description below if I mention somebody. If I don't, then there won't be nothing there. But hey, it is what it is. Just support everybody in our beautiful YouTube community, guys. It's a big, great modeling community, and not just only models. It's the Hot Wheel guys, it's the sci-fi, it's the gaming, it's the RC guys. I mean, guys, there's so much to this big old community, so just support them. That's all it's all about. A like, a share, and a subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Don't cost a thing. All right. Let me shut my yap, and y'all know this is the model I've been working on for old Doane. He's a buddy of mine from California. He's always sent me models and this and that, and just always been a good friend. And he asked me if I'd build him a few models, and I said, well, yeah, send them to me and I'll build them. So here we are. Move this out of the way. Put the old car up here. Boom, and that is it. There she is. Thanks to Mr. Gary Knight for giving me the heads up about this car. Y'all know our buddy over there in England, old Gary Knight. I'll leave a link for him in the description below. But he told me about this kit setting up so high it looked like a four-wheel drive. And I took his advice and I lowered it down and I fixed it, but it still got a pretty good stance on setting up high. But that is what it is. This kit, it did look like a four-wheel drive, so we got that all corrected and fixed. Now this kit here, I did wet sand, and I did put a clear coat and a polish on it, but the kit is so thin, you can look through that hood right there. That hood is like paper thin. You can see the cross members and everything. I mean, it just wasn't no use. I just weathered this kit up like a good survivor car that's never been restored. It's just been driven and loved. And that's what this car looks like. And matter of fact, I'm thinking about doing his truck the same way. Kind of on a kick with it. I kind of liked what I did to the bottom of this and weathering it all up and everything. So I'll show you here in a minute what is. Well, let me just set this aside. He wants me to build him this truck right here. And of course, I'm going to do the box art, like that and stuff. I'm going to do those colors and everything. Matter of fact, I got the body and primer today, just a black primer. That's all I got done to that. But I think I'm going to do it kind of like the way I did this one here. Just well loved and used, but not rusted out and beat up. Just used. And as you can see there, go around it. It's been chrome fulled. It's got a lot of chrome full to do on it. Put the decals as far as where it says Comet on the back, and all them little scripts on there and everything. But yeah, I black washed the wheels. They were chrome. Those are the stock wheels. That's where they come. Those are the tires that come with the car. I'm going to take it off this little roundabout, and I'm going to show you what we got going on. Move that over to the side. Alright, you can see I put a black wash in the panel lines all over. you can't hardly see them tail lights through that. I've even sanded through those tail lights, but there is red lens behind that. You just can't see them. There's the Comet decals. I put a California tags on it, black plate. Now I will have pictures of the interior and all that at the end of this so that you can see it. You ain't gonna be able to see it from in here, but you can see I did the weathering in there to where it's kind of got a black wash to it. That way the seats look deeper and used, like the vinyl's used. It's got I didn't put like carpet in it, but I did the stippling effect on the carpet and stuff. Yeah, just got a black wash in there. Here's the grill. It's all black and black washed. And then there's the hood open. Just take it off here real quick. Let's see what I got. The water bottle. I wired the battery up. The starter solenoid. It's got upper and lower heater hoses I did. It's got the bottom and top radiator hose. And it is wired. Not correct, but it is wired. I'm not no daggum bolt rivet counter. So it don't matter to me if it's correct or not. You're not going to drive this car. I promise you. If you want to try, go for it. Alright, you can see I just lightly weathered this up like it's well used. It's got a little bit of surface rust, and here and there and the pipes are burnt off, getting a little rust on them and everything and stuff. You can see the scrapes and the scratches, and the tires are sanded. It's got the wick seal air filter down, or oil filter down there. Sorry about that. Like I said, that's about all I can show you about this thing. I did open those holes up, and then I put you can't see the hood hinges on it. That way you can actually put it in there, and you can display it open with your hood hinges like that. Or, let me get it back down in there, or the hood will shut. And like I said, that hood's not the best in the world. It's like, this plastic is paper thin. I'm telling you. Alright, I'll quit getting my dick fingers all over and put it back on here. Like I said, just stick around here at the end of me talking here. I know y'all's ready for me to shut the hell up, but stick around at the end and I will have pictures. And there she is, just one more little look around there. Alright guys, stick around to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe.